mango?
Mango?
Wow. Sick ass.
I can't handle all the energy, bro. Why are you mad, bro?
Hungry. What's for eat? What is for eat?
What's for eating?
No, what is for eat?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. That's kind of weird to say, huh?
Yeah, just say.
I can't say it because we haven't talked about it. I know it's in the title. We haven't.
Welcome back to Static Garage. Oh no, welcome to Static Garage. It's not welcome back.
Today, we're gonna be heading to LA like we always do to go pick up some car parts for my car. We're also going to be revealing. You spilled, bro. I seen it from here. We're also going to be revealing something very special.
Fuck you.
Very special that everyone's been wanting to see, because now that Martin's car is wrapped, we have one thing missing on that car, exterior wise. We're really close to Bellflower. That's the part of LA that we're going to, and Chavez actually went to an S2K meet today. It's like a huge SoCal meet, and I think he lost them or something on the cruise. Guess there's like a lot of cops, he got scared. So he's gonna be meeting us there, which is pretty funny because we're all pretty much by LA. He's in Huntington Beach. Hopefully the bumper does look good, because it's not technically a bumper on the E30 with the metal pieces. That's the bumper. That lip is from a newer model, so we might have to do some cutting to try to make it fit. And since we have paint still from my car, we are going to be spraying it with the gun. You good? Yeah. Sick ass food. Is it in there, bro?
Yeah, it's in there, fool.
Bro, this is the trap wagon, dude.
Let's go.
Does it fit?
Barely.
We just came back from LA, and I need to get this thing out of here without messing up Martin's interior. This looks so nice, dude. Like, so much better. Damn, you see those wheels? Can't show you guys those. Damn, Martin. Oh damn,
shit.
Chachin.
I just bought this G, dude.
Where'd you get it from?
I don't know, off some dude. He wanted 7K.
7K?
Yeah.
Clean title?
Salvage title.
Hey, fuck it, bro. That's how we roll in Static Garage. We were supposed to do a video on this, but I mean, since we're gonna be announcing big plans to the channel, I think we should be announcing big things to your car right now. And we don't have the full set of wheels.
I only got 2 rear because I need grip.
But before we actually show the wheel, look at that tire tread, dude.
So they are 19 by 10.5 plus 22.
Yeah, and then your tire spec is right here, 275, which is how wide the tire is. The 35 is the tallness, and obviously the 19 is the diameter of the wheel. But I love the tread, and it's very sticky, like very, very sticky. And these are the ones that you've had, huh?
When I first bought the car,
with the ugly ass wrap wheels.
Yeah.
Spec. Now you got some clean wrap wheels.
You guys ready?
Yeah. Damn, son. Bro, with all this ESRs that we're buying, I feel like we should be sponsored, bro. Hey, you're the only one with real wheels.
I respect you.
Shit, dude. I don't even know if they're real.
Hey, Nana, I think I'm on real wheels. I'm on BMW wheels.
MB battles are.
Hey, these are real.
Hey, these are real wheels.
Real finish.
Hey, let's put them next. This looks so
real, bro.
nice, bro. Oh my god. That looks so good.
I don't think they're ready for this, dude.
They're not, bro. God damn. It's gonna fit. Oh, it's gonna fit nice too.
I respect you, Martin.
Martin.
It's coming out so nice.
Even
Much
though we're all
excited.
balding, bro, we still build nice cars.
The Baldy Brothers.
Hey, bitch.
The Baldy Brothers nice.
So, ESR, we always buy your products. And by products, I mean every fucking wheel you guys make. So make sure to hit us up if you guys want to work something out.
You just want to hook it up.
Maybe I want some extra set of wheels.
Drift wheels?
Maybe he wants some drift spares. Maybe he wants some fuck around wheels.
Yeah.
Maybe he wants some canyon wheels.
Maybe he wants some canyon wheels. Maybe Stephanie wants some go slow in the Miata wheels. Fuck, you never know.
Oh, dude, when's the last time you ever... You're gonna mess up the threads. When's the last time you,
Let's see how, okay, let's compare the
girth.
The girth. See, it's the same tallness. I'm telling you, it's gonna fit.
This is taller. This is taller.
Yeah.
You see it? A little taller. 225.50.
So that's 225. Oh, Jesus. You good, Mark? Oh, they're perfect.
Oh, that looks so nice. Yeah.
They're perfect. Never mind.
I think that works for you, buddy.
That looks so nice, bro. And oh, you're fucked. Let's roll them.
Oh yeah, you can't drive.
Roll it. Shit. Martin, I think you should roll them and put like a 10mm spacer. You do. You want a sitting flush. So look. Yeah, I say do a 10mm spacer, and then we'll roll them real quick. We'll do it the Oxnard way. Chavez reminded us that we cannot go into Lowe's with our camera.
So what that means is I'm gonna take the camera inside.
We need a smaller pipe.
So you didn't tell them what we're doing here, Danny?
Oh, so we're coming to get PVC piping to roll fenders. Yeah, I did tell them, motherfuckers. Trying to make me forget.
How about the couple ones?
No, word.
You can't say that on camera. You heard me.
What are you ordering, McDonald's?
That's really cool.
Damn. Code 3, bro. They're coming for us.
They're coming for us.
If we take a shower, no balls.
Let's go, let's go, full.
Damn, sick ass food. Hey, we're famous, Doug. Just leave it. Let's go.
Let it play. That shit's funny. Let's go.
I'm sorry. A lot of people don't know how to go faster in their car without any mods. All you need is PVC pipe. Let's go, full, faster. Oh fuck, full. Fuck. Sick ass food. Right there, right there.
That's my pain. Ooh. You know what I would have done?
What? Tell me what you would have done.
I would have jacked it up, put the thing in the middle, and just slammed it down.
That's not how it works. Try it then.
Mexican style.
Try it then.
Doing this work, I already know how to do it now.
Doing what?
Rolling fenders.
That's not actually.
This is not the right way to roll fenders, motherfucker.
That's actually not how you
This is the right way to do it.
Don't get the idea that.
Don't let the viewers know that this is the right way.
Yeah.
This is not the right way.
This is what you shouldn't do.
Alright, we're gonna be testing the new tires. You wanna go? Too bad. Finally.
It grabs.
And that's just, the tires are cold. You don't understand how much I love your car, Marin, just because this was my dream car when I was younger.
Woo! It's trippy because it lets you go.
Yeah.
Like it wants you to launch good.
Go. Waiting to get some Gapplebee appointments, huh?
All day.
This is some uncensored on YouTube, bro. Stuff that we maybe can't post on here, Doug. So nice, bro. Hi, Stephanie. So we've been thinking about doing this for a while, and originally we were planning on doing Static Garage, and we just ended up with Static Works. Originally it was Static Danny, and that was the name I chose to start the YouTube channel. And me and Marin started discussing things about changing the name because we were having obviously him in the channel and we were getting a lot more people in. So we needed a name that would fit all of us. And we ended up just agreeing on Static Works. It wasn't really something that we, you know, I guess we liked the name, that's why we kept it, but it wasn't something that we were super excited about. We just kind of stuck with it. It was something that we needed to change in a hurry before, you know, we gained any more subscribers. And, you know, now with the whole Static Works thing, we started Team Static. And Team Static was pretty much to start a team of friends. I always said it wasn't a club, it wasn't anything, but, you know, people, you know, started assuming that we were a club, a crew. You know, people would message me asking me to join, you know, all these things. And, you know, a lot of you guys even comment down below, you know, how you can join Team Static. And the whole thing was Team Static, like I said, is strictly friends, close friends. I mean, everyone that's been in Static, whether they're here now or not here, they've always been close friends, and some still are really close friends. So that's the only reason why they were in Team Static, because we all shared a close connection with each other and our cars. And now, you know, that everyone is assuming, you know, this is a crew, and just pretty much so many people are asking to join us, and we don't want to represent ourselves as a crew. We just want to kind of like push that all away and just start fresh with everything. Start fresh and just do things differently from now on. And I feel like Static Garage would be a good name to just start over. We're all static here. We've been static since the beginning, except my dad.
Bagged.
Static dad.
So Static Garage is not like a team, it's just your garage.
A garage.
Yeah.
Where you build your cars.
We're all friends.
Yeah, basically.
And
our friends, family.
yeah, I mean, most of us are family in it, except Chavez, Chavez and Jeremiah. And I mean, like I said, we're just really close friends, just trying to build cars. We don't want any team. We don't want. At the end of the day, we are a team.
Yeah.
It's just it's not official. A lot of you guys, you know, ask us, or even tell us that you know you could bring your car, you know, to film a certain thing. And the whole thing is that we want to bring our subscribers and our fans a series, you know, of the cars that we build. We want you guys to watch them grow. We don't want to bring, you know, say we brought a car in, right? Or I bought a car, did one install or did one thing and just never brought it back. Like even the G37, that was my dad's G37. We hardly did any videos on it. And I wish we could have continued to. And just stuff like that. We want to give you guys actual good content. We don't want necessarily fillers, because that's what they are. They're just, you know, random videos we upload. We want to make this channel more of an entertainment car channel, not just an install channel. That's why most of our installs are vlogs, because we just want to have you guys actually enjoy them and make you guys want to work on the cars. And I mean, do what we do. This is just the beginning. Like I said, it's definitely gonna raise a bunch of questions on why we changed this, so that's why we're making this video. And it's going to be a hard process, because we started Static Works and we built that up. And now I have the domain for Static Garage. I'm already building a website to start selling merch, so that's going to be coming very soon. We just want to bring you guys really good content now and really good designs. And Static Garage just flows better. It's more, you know, it's connected more to cars than Static Works, you know, so our new viewers can see Static Garage and, you know that it's a car channel, versus they see Static Works and they don't know what the fuck it is.
Electricians.
And that's the point, is we want to start bringing in more subscribers, more fans, you know, and we just want to give you guys better content and start focusing on what's going to help our channel and give you guys, you know, what you guys want to see. We're going to have our ups and downs where we don't have videos here and there, because we all work full-time jobs. Let us know what you guys think. I know some of you guys are going to be mad, and I actually wanted to ask you guys your opinion. So I did make an Instagram story post, and a bunch of you guys, the first couple of guys that messaged me, I let them know, you know, I let my subscribers know, you know, what we were planning on doing, and 90% of them were in it. They say it's a nice name. Static Works was a really good name, but it fits more to what we're doing. Some people like the original name because that's, you know, that's us, who we are. But we rather change it to something that we really, really like now that we're smaller, than when we start growing more subscribers and we're just going to confuse the fuck out of you guys. So.
Yeah, and this is the last time we're changing our name.
Yeah,
Right?
last for sure. Maybe.
I don't know. I might open up the
I'm serious.
Static Garage.
Stop. On that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Confetti, fool. You gotta throw confetti.
Confetti.
I was just gonna smack the camera.
Alright.
So cool.